TLC 2018 match card and results. Buddy Murphy versus Cedric Alexander for the Cruiserweight Champion. The winner of this match, retaining his Cruiserweight Champion, Buddy Murphy. Elias versus Bobby Lashley. The winner of this match was Elias. Jinder Mahal and Alicia Fox versus R-Truth and Carmella in the Mixed Match Challenge Finals. The winners of this match and will be entering number 30 in the Women's and Men's Royal Rumble. R-Truth and Carmella. The Usos versus The Bar versus The New Day for the SmackDown Tag Team Champions. The winners of this match, retaining the SmackDown Tag Team Champions, The Bar. Braun Strowman versus Baron Corbin. The winner of this match was Braun Strowman. Natalya versus Ruby Riott. The winner of this match, Natalya. Finn Balor versus Drew McIntyre. The winner of this match was Finn Balor. Rey Mysterio versus Randy Orton. The winner of this match was Rey Mysterio. Ronda Rousey versus Nia Jax for the Raw Women's Champion. The winner of this match, retaining her Raw Women's Champion, was Ronda Rousey. Daniel Bryan versus AJ Styles for the WWE Champion. The winner of this match, retaining the WWE Champion, was Daniel Bryan. Seth Rollins versus Dean Ambrose for the Intercontinental Champion. The winner of this match and the new Intercontinental Champion was Dean Ambrose. Charlotte Flair versus Becky Lynch versus Asuka for the SmackDown Women's Champion. The winner of this match and the new SmackDown Women's Champion was Asuka.